Assalamualaikum dear students, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Let's start our countdown task. First of all, mention date on the planner number 72, which is plan number 72. Our task is on page number 73 and also drilling of table 2 and 3. So let's open page number 73 from our work. There are page number 72 and page number 73. First, before starting page number 73, let's take a look on the page number 72 to learn how to subtract the values. It's about word problem subtraction. There is a question. Uzma takes 4 sweets from a bottle of 10 sweets. How many sweets are left in the bottle? If she takes 4 sweets, then there are 6 sweets in the jar left. To solve this question, first of all, you will write the total values or total number of things at the top or firstly, okay, like 10, and then how much she takes 4 sweets, so we'll write 4 in the next line, just below the number 10. After this, there are total 10 sweets and you will get 4 sweets from it. Then there is only 6 sweets. To solve this question, you can solve it on your fingers, like 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, and there are 4 sweets are taken by Uzma. So 1 2 3 4, these 4 sweets are left taken, and these are the left 1 2 3 4 5 6. So you can write 6 here. Other method is start from the smaller value and reach at the bigger value. How many steps will you take? That will be your answer. Like 4, start from next number from 4 and reach at 10. 5 6 7 8 9 10. So to reach at 10, you will move 1 2 3 4 5 6. You will move 6 steps. So the answer will be 6. Similarly, with the same method, there is other example you can understand it to solve the page number 73. Let's open page number 73. Firstly, mention date and day on the top of the page. Word problem subtraction. In the write the sum in the box and fill the answer. Find the answer. Sorry. The first is the example. You will check how it is solved. I will start from part B. There are 14 children in a team. 8 of them are boys. How many girls are there in the team? Firstly, we will write total number of children, like 14. 1, 4, 14. After this, number of boys that are given, 8. Keep it in your mind that you will write from the left side or right side, or the number ones will be filled firstly, okay? 8. If there is another value, we will write it here, but it is only 8, so we will write 8 here, okay? In short, you will say that there is no 10, so you will write 1 or 0 here, okay? But not necessary to write here. Now, there are 14 and 8. How many are girls? If you subtract these two values, the answer will be, your answer will be the number of girls, okay? To solve, we have discussed 2 methods. So I will use the second method in which we count from the smaller to larger value. I will start from the next number to 8 and reach at 14. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Again 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So to reach at 14, I have moved these steps. Count these steps: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So from 14 minus 8 is equal to 6. So there are 6 girls in the team. Similarly, let's start our next task. Rashid needs to score 20 runs in a cricket match. He hits 1 6. How many more runs does he need? Firstly, how many number of runs does he need? Yes, 20. How many runs he have scored. He have scored 1 6 means 6 runs. He have scored 6 runs. Okay. Now count from 6 and reach to 20. Other method is okay. Firstly, we will solve it according to this method. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. So to reach the 20, I have moved these fingers and 2 steps on the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So right answer 14. Other method is to solve is that cut the value, because you cannot subtract 6 from 0, because 0 is smaller value. You cannot subtract it from the 0. To make it larger value, you will cut the number 2 and give the number 1 from 2 to 0. Okay, like 2 will give a number to it 0, it will make 10 and there is only one number left. Okay, 2 will make 0 as 10 and there is only one number left. 1 is here and 1 is here. After this it is 10. 10 minus 6, it is easy to solve. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. To reach the 10, I have taken 4 steps. 1, 2, 3, 4. Write 4 here. After this, in the next column, there is no number to solve. You will write 1 simply here. So the total answer will be 14. Similarly, with the same method, you can solve part D and E by your own. It's your home task to do it in the neat and clean writing. Okay, students, take care. Allah Hafiz.